Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to find all the admins in any Telegram group using the Telegram app on your PC. The process is quick and simple, but with the latest update, a few things might look a bit different. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. You can use either the desktop version you've installed or the web version accessed through your browser. Once you're on Telegram, take a moment to make sure you're logged into your account. Next, find the group you want to check. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list on the left side of the app or by using the search bar at the top. Type the name of the group, then click it to open the chat window. Now, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see the group's name and sometimes the number of members right under it. Click on the group's name. This action will take you to the group's information page, where you can see all the essential details about that group. Once you're in the group info section, you'll notice different options like notifications, shared media, and members. Click on the members section to open the list of everyone in the group. Now comes the key part. Scroll through the members and pay attention to the names. Every admin in the group will have the word admin displayed next to their name. This indicator makes it easy to identify who manages or moderates the group. If it's a large group, you can also use the search bar inside the members list to quickly look up specific people. Admins might have different levels of control depending on the group's settings, but they'll all be clearly marked as admin. That's it. You've successfully located every admin in your Telegram group using just your PC. It's a straightforward process, but knowing how to navigate the updated interface helps save time and avoid confusion. Now you can identify group admins easily whenever you need to manage permissions, report issues, or simply know who runs the community.